Hello everyone, let's see about CRM. CRM is for managing all the company's relationship and the interaction with customers and the potential customers. Let's get into our CRM module. In CRM, we have a smart dashboard. Using this, we can see the overview. We can manage our new leads. At the time of lead generation, the admin gets notified. So in our dashboard, we can see how many total leads that we have, what are the pipelines that we have, and what are the opportunities that we have. So by clicking on the more info, it will directly redirect us to the pipeline. And here we can see the won list and loss list. So in this we can see the top opportunities and leads. If any activity types are there, we can see the activity types here. And then we have a download option to download it also. So not only these things, we can see all the other reports, just like a report, we can see all those things in our dashboards. And then to generate a new lead, here we can see a lead. So in this, here we can see all the leads which is already generated. On the left side, you can see the sales, that is the sales team. By using the sales team, we can make a filter it out. And then using campaign, we can make a filter. And then here you can see the medium from where this particular lead will be generated can be seen here. Okay, and then in our Bookseedor, we have more views like Kanban view, list view, pivot view, and then calendar view. So by using this, we can easily generate a new lead for that particular time. With the help of that, we can generate a new leads and opportunities in a more interactive way. And we have a more marketing campaigns that we have, which is integrated with our CRM and could also have a separate sales team to handle this. And we have various features for managing all the customers interactions. So here we can create a customer. So to manage the customer, we have a more interaction to contact with the customers like call, demo, quotation, and follow-up. Then our record stages for each and every one, that is like leads for pipeline, can also be configurable. And we have scheduling meetings can made easier using our calendar view. So by using that, we can easily schedule the meeting. So here we can see the lead. To create a new lead, here we can click on the create option to create a new one. Okay, then here we need to mention the lead, the name of the lead, and the probability of that lead can be mentioned here. And the basic information about the lead like address, if any website they have, so we need to mention the website, and what are the sales, who is the salesperson, here we need to mention the salesperson, and the additional salesperson can also be added. And the main thing that we have is an sales team. We can manage a sales team here. So it will be configurable. You can manage the team also. You can create a new team and you can add the team members there. And the email ID, job positions, and the mobile branch, from which branch this particular lead will be, can also be managed here. And then here we can add the tag. So if you need to create a new tag, you can create it from here itself. And then the checklist. To process a lead, we can manage by using the checklist. By using that, we can actually create an leads. So here we can add a product. So if any products needed for that lead, you can manage here. So if any purchase order need to be created from this lead, you can make a purchase order here. And if you need to create any quotation, that is the sale order, you can create it from here itself. And then the overall summary of the sale order belonging to this lead can be seen here. And if you need to arrange any meeting to this lead, you can arrange a meeting and you can schedule a call for them. Here we can have a call option. So by using that, you can manage a call. So once the lead will be generated, it will be automatically converted into an opportunity, or else if you need, you can convert into an opportunities. So here we have a convert to opportunity option. So after the lead creation, it will be turns into an opportunity. So list of opportunities is in pipeline. So we can see all the opportunities is in the pipeline. So in pipeline, under my pipeline, you can see all the pipeline list. So this is the list. What are the pipelines that we have? What are the stages? The stages are configurable. We can simply drag and drop the lead from one stages to the another stage. And here we can create it also. So from here itself we can create a pipeline directly into without going into the lead. You can directly create a lead from the pipeline also. And then from that lead, after the confirmation of the lead, if you need to schedule any meeting for them, you can schedule a meeting. So here we have a meeting option. This will leads us to an calendar view. From here we can schedule a meeting. So in the meeting we can generate a Zoom link. So by using the Zoom link we can make a meeting there. We need to configure already the meeting. So by using that you can schedule this meeting into the Zoom. Automatically the link will be generated and the link will be shared to the members which we have added in the attendees. So in this way we can create a meeting. And then for a meeting, at the time of meeting, if you need to get any requirement from them, if the user scenario of the customer can also be managed by using a business requirement here. So by using this we can create a business requirement for that new lead. Not only that business requirement, we can create a task for them. So after getting the requirement, if you need to give any task to your members, so you can create a task from here. So after creation of the task, you can assign that task. This will be reflected in that project itself. So you can see this task in the project. And then if you need to if you need to create a new quotation from this lead, you can make a new quotation here. So if you need to create any purchase order for belonging to this lead, you can make a purchase order here. Those things can be seen here. So if you need to create a purchase order, you can see what are the purchase order can be created from this lead can be seen here. So if you need to schedule any meeting, that is any alert for you, you can schedule an activity here. Here we can manage the activities like email. So if you need to send any email, so this is for a reminder purpose for you. So you can make a reminder for that. These reminders can be seen in this page. So here it will shows that a reminder. So for you, the kind reminder is here. So you need to do this. So that type of informations will be seen here. In the clock symbol, we can see the leads. So what are the leads and opportunities are there, and what are the that is the activity need to be done. So it's in that deadline state can be seen here. And here we can see the phone calls. So in phone calls you can manage the calls. So if you need to schedule any call for any of the customer, you can manage it from here itself. So by clicking on the create, you can create a new call summary, and then here what is a phone mobile number, you can here we can add that one, and you can add a schedule a meeting for them. In this way we can create and logged calls. And then we have a funnel chart view. So in this view we can see what are the leads that we have, what are the pipeline, and according to the stages we can see the funnel chart. So once we click on that funnel chart, you can directly redirect us to that stages. So what are the stages? So here we can see in the funnel chart view what are the new leads that we have created. So we can see the list of it. So not only this report, we have various types of reports like leads, pipeline by products, activities, that is the scheduled activities, and the claims. So once we click on the pipeline, it will show the reports like this. So if you need to add more any extra toppings, so you can add it from here. So for example, I need a customer name. So for that here we can select the customer name. And then I need the date of it, creation date. Okay, so for example, here we can see, okay, the creation date. So here we can see these leads are created now. So in which date? So this filter is configurable. So all the things that we have will be in a configurable thing. So if you need, you can download it in the Excel also. Here we have an Excel format. We can download it in Excel also. So if you need, you can add that particular reports in an favorites also. So from here you can add the favorites. So in this way we can create and reports. Hope you all understand. Thank you.